Have you been wondering how to create a course, or you feel stressed out creating slides for your course or your PowerPoint? This AI tool can create a course in minutes. Don't waste weeks creating a course. No, no, no. Let this AI tool do it for you while you sip tea or something. And in this video, I will show you step by step the fastest way to create a course, even if you've never done it before. Why do you need to create a course? Because it is one of the ways you can generate passive income for yourself. You can do it once and then set it up and you're done. People can buy your courses and take your courses even while you sleep. AI has just made online courses ridiculously easy. It has made making the courses so easy. This free AI tool builds the course for you that's actually of high quality. This is how beginners are launching courses and making impact, teaching and building part-time businesses with their existing knowledge. So watch me as I create a course using this AI tool step by step. And like this video, subscribe below, share with people who will get value from it. So we're here now on my screen and you can see it says create with AI. It's that simple. Now you have the option to copy and paste text. I would show you how to do this. You have another option to generate. That is, you can just give it a prompt. Let's say you don't have a script yet, so you don't have a script to copy and paste it on here. You can just give it a prompt and tell it exactly what to do. And the even more interesting one is you can just give a URL or import a file. A URL, say maybe you want to generate something from a blog post. You just copy that URL and put it in here. Now let's start with generate, which is the most popular one because you just want to tell it what to do and it will come up with what. It depends on how elaborate you want to be. So you can write a prompt, say, create a presentation that explains how to leverage AI or how to use AI and the benefits of using it in our everyday life and business. So whatever, this is just an example, whatever you want to write, just give it a prompt, but tell it to create a presentation because you're trying to put presentations together to form a course. And that is what I'll walk you through shortly. So when you tell it to create a presentation, you could use this for your presentations at work as well. So in, let's say, part-time business. So if you're happy with the prompt you put in, you just click generate. And now the magic happens because it will go through thinking about it. You can see how quick this is. It will go through the outline. You can see it has generated the outline. Watch this. Just look at this. Just look at this. It has quickly generated an outline for you. So if you're not happy, you can just delete this one. Let's say you're not happy with this first part. You can delete it. You can edit it to your taste. Okay, it says the first bit of the outline is unlocking AI, everyday life and part-time business. AI redefines productivity, used by 80% of Fortune 500 companies, projected to add about 15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Look at this. Look at the entire outline was generated in less than a minute. You can even add cards. Let's say there's something else you want to say. You type it in there. Okay? And then you click generate. I need you to watch what is happening. Can you see all of the bits just in minutes, like literally generating the entire thing in minutes? Watch this with pictures. Look at the side of the screen with pictures. I want it to finish, so I would show you with pictures, with relevant images, and this is entirely free. Relevant images, and this is entirely free. So the AI advantage starts today. So I can actually do an entire presentation. I can put together this, I can put this power, I can put this presentations together to form a full course. You can see it has this button here, present. I can put a voice over it. Look at the images that were generated. See how real this looks. Look at how beautiful this benefits of AI, and it just breaks it down because it scrapes the entire internet. Look at this. Look at how, what I want you to see is how fast this happens. Imagine how much time it would take you to sit down and put together a presentation like this. To see the weeks it will take you to sit down and put together a course. But now AI has just blown all that away. And in minutes, you can create your course. People are creating courses, people are making money leveraging AI. But one thing I want you to note is that you can edit it. Now, if I don't want to say guidance here, can you see this bar has appeared? If I want to change the text, I can change the text. I can even just edit with AI. That's magic, right? Look at all these options. I can condense the text. Maybe I want to summarize it further. I can condense it. Whatever I want to do is just all possible. And all this is for free. All this is for free. So if you haven't started leveraging AI, I don't know. We can't help you because you have to have started by now to jump into this thing, start creating your courses, and you can edit it to your own taste so that you don't say, oh, this is all just AI. You can actually add your own words. You see, I can edit any slide I want. Can you see my cursor? I can edit any slide I want, add anything, edit and add. I can edit, I can add, I can correct. This is beautiful. It's amazing. I particularly like that it adds photos in it, and you can change the photos as well. Now, not only that, look above and you see that you can actually share. Look at this. You can share. You can click present. You can present this, and there's so much to do. You can download it as well. You can export it. You can edit it. You can duplicate it, and you can download it. And delete and start again. Okay, now that I've shown you this bit, let me show you how to use it when you're using a script. Let's say you already have a script, you already have what you want to talk about already written down somewhere. You don't want AI to start from scratch. But even without you having a script, I think without doing anything, this is just amazing. Especially considering we just entered a 2-sentence prompt. It can't get easier than that. A 2-sentence, it wasn't even an elaborate prompt that's detailed. We just entered a 2-sentence prompt and we got all of this. So let's go back now and see how we can just start from scratch. This was our templates. We go back again. And one step back Perfect. I wanted to bring you back to this page. Now, let's say we have our text. Let me just grab any text. And what is this? Okay, so I have my text now. Let's say you have your text and it could be as long as you want or as short as you want. So let's use this as a quick example. Copy this text and go to paste text. So we're pasting a text and saying, use this particular text. Don't create from scratch. So because you could already have the text you want to use, you could already have what you want to talk about. All you just need is to get quick presentation done for you and build your course. So now that I've pasted my text, all I need to do is to say continue. It has quickly separated them into the different slides. Okay. And the next bit is continue. So this is beautiful because it's even showing you different templates. Pick a theme. Imagine choosing from any of these. So you can choose what's your favorite color. You can just choose whichever you want. You see me scrolling. There's so many of them. So just choose your favorite color. Let's choose yellow, for instance. Let's see what it will look like. Choose yellow or just choose this. You see. So once you have chosen one, anyone would do, really, because they all look good. So the next thing you have to do is to click generate again. It's just so ridiculously easy. It's so easy. So easy. It just starts again. So now the difference is this one is with your own your own template, your own script. So it's not now generating things, it's just composing using that thing you have pasted. Imagine you have a long body of work already written and wondering how to break it down into a course, how to break it down into. So just all you need to do is just paste it and click generate. How easy. Just paste, generate benefits of traditional tools. So based on what I have put in, this is what is generating. And remember, it still has images. Let's look at this. It still comes with images. So now this tool is called Gamma AI. That's why I used the script for you to see. It's called Gamma AI, and you can begin to use it. You can jump in on this. Check the description box below because I have put a link direct to it for you to use. So jump in, start creating your courses. Now, if you click that link below, you will also, the first link is the link to speak to any member of our team, and we'll know if you're right for us to take you further to teach you how to put all of these slides together and create your own course. The final bits, you can generate as many slides as possible, as many of this presentation as possible. Then now you need to put the voiceover. You need to put it in a way that it's a presentable course, that it represents you even when you're not there. This is what we'll teach you. This is part of what we teach you. And this course can sell even while you sleep. It's so interesting. So if you're yet to subscribe, click that subscribe button and like this video and share it with people who will benefit from this.